In this video, I'm going to show you the best money making apps. Now, it's so easy to make money that you can even make money by just using your phone. And I'm going to show you apps that you are going to use to make money on your phone in a passive way. Yes. First app is called Points app. Yes, you might have heard of it, but this app is good and it's improving every day. As you can see, people are already cashing out, and it's not like other money making apps where you have to wait to get a lot of money to cash out. Yes, you can only cash out as long as you reach $5. And the good thing why I like this app so much, that even if you're in a country where they don't have PayPal, or you are not a person who is using cryptocurrency, then you can get your money using Pioneer. Yes, guys, it's hard to find apps that will pay you via Pioneer even when you have only reached $5. And this app pays you even through Pioneer as long as you reach $5. So if you reach $5, you can even cash out via Pioneer, and the rates are very low. So if you want to use this app, what you will do, you will come here and click on this button which says sign up. And when you click on this button which says sign up, then you will come put in your email address and your password. And when you sign up using the link in the description below that I'm going to leave, you are going to get a $3 bonus. Yes. And what you are going to be doing on this app, if you don't want to do anything at all, you can open this app and install it on your phone and be using it in a passive way even without doing anything. Or if you want, you can download this app on your PC or your iPad as long as you have an internet connection. What this app will do, if you want to use it in the passive way, it's going to be collecting your unused data. And I don't mean your personal information. For example, if you have Wi-Fi in your house, you can't finish all of it. So this company will be collecting some of that data. It will not collect your name, it will not collect your personal information. No, that's against their laws. And another thing about this app, every day they are increasing, they are developing, and people are rushing to it to use it, because every day they are adding fun things. As you can see here, as it is written, and up to $100 per game offer you play, and up to $5 per survey. So if you don't want to install it and just be earning in a passive way, then you can go ahead and do this. Also, you can go ahead and play games, you get paid for that. You can do that in your free time and earn extra cash. I'm not telling you guys that this is going to make you a billionaire or this is going to make you very rich. These are apps that you can use in your spare time and some free man like $100. Yes, and you can use that to pay your bills and something, but it's not going to make you a billionaire. You can just be using it in your free time. Or if you have kids at home, instead of them wasting time using apps that are not going to benefit them, they can be using apps like this that are going to be also giving them something. Then you can also go ahead and do paid surveys. And why I like this app so much, their surveys are into in three categories. They have the long survey, and it's written there in the app. They will show you that this survey is too long. If you have time to go in for a long survey, then you can go ahead and take the long survey. They also have short surveys. If you want to do short surveys because you don't have time, you can do short surveys. They also have medium surveys. So you have a choice to choose between all of those options. And you can cash out as long as you reach $5. I've told you, and they have a lot of payment options. If you want to cash out via gift cards, you can go ahead and cash out like that. And another way that you are going to earn from this app is by referring it to others. Guys, as I'm referring this app to you, just use the link in the description below. It's going to be a win-win for both of us. You will earn something, I'll also earn something. Yes, and this app is good. Here they are showing you people they have partnered with. They are partnered with people like Amazon, Nesta, as you can see all of this. And you can cash out your money right away. And I've cashed out before from this app. It does not take long. As you can see, you can cash out via Pioneer. You can cash out via Amazon. You can cash out via Google Play Cards, Bitcoin, all of these apps, as I told you. So you can choose anything from this app. It's not like other apps where they only have PayPal as the payment option. Here you have a variety of them, and doing their tasks is not difficult. They are so easy to do. As you can see here, they have medium surveys, short surveys, so it depends on you which one you want to do. Or if you want only to share the internet, you don't have time to do the surveys, the games, then you can just share internet in a passive way. And they also have other things like quest. They will do a quest and people win points, and when people win points, those points are later converted into money. Yes, and sometimes they will give you tasks like you go check out their blog, and when you check out their blog, they are going to give you points. And when you gather those points, sometimes they will even give you $1 for free if you reach 500 points. If you reach like 1,000 points, they will give you $2 for free, just like that. All your points that you gather through the quest, all those stuff, you can gather them and still convert it to money. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up for this app and start making money either in a passive way, or you can also do surveys and other things. Then our next app on the list is this app which is called Honey Gain, and this one is mainly for sharing your internet. If you have internet that you are not using, then you can go ahead and use this app. You just install it in your phone. It will be making you money as long as you sleep. And when you sign up using the link I'm going to give you, are going to get a $3 signing up bonus. Yes, when you come here on Honeygain, you just install this app, and when you install it on your phone, you will leave it there. It will be running in the background. Yes, as you do your other stuff, the app will be running in the background, and it's only going to be collecting data. And that's the data that they are going to use to pay you. Yes, that's what they are going to use to pay you. And here you can cash out via PayPal and via a cryptocurrency which is called Jump Task. So it depends on you if you want to go cash out via cryptocurrency, or you can cash out via PayPal. And it's easy to use, it's user friendly, it's non difficult. If you want to get started, you use the link in the description below, and also use your email address and your password to sign up. And the sign up process is not difficult. I guess all of you know how to sign up. Yes. So we are going to our next app, and this app is called Slice. Yes, and Slice also has been improving every day, like Pawns app that I've told you. Yes, this one they are going to pay you for browsing the internet. If you are a person like me who is online always, or you are working from home, or your work is related with being online most of the time, then this app, what they are going to pay you for is for browsing. They will be paying you for browsing. As you can see, you browse, we pay. Like every time you go into Google to search something, or anytime you go to ChatGPT to check something, this app will be running in the back of your computer, and they will be paying you. And what should you do? You just come here. I will also leave a link in the description below. You follow that link so that you can know the right website that you are going to download this app from. Yes, and when you come here and download all the apps I'm talking up here, starting up is free. Everything is free, it's not paid for. As you can see here, it says you download this to your Chrome, and when you download it to your Chrome, then you come and pin it up here. As you can see, my own is also pinned up there. Yes, so every time you browse, they will be giving you money. And another way how this app has improved, they have also introduced other things like doing the survey. If you have time to do the survey, you can go ahead and do that. But if you don't have it and you have other things running, then you can install the app and it will be running in the background. Yes, but they have introduced other things that you can do. You can also do surveys. You can also watch adverts. If you're a person who have time to watch adverts and get paid, this is a good app where you watch adverts and get paid. They will give you videos to watch, and when you finish watching them, then you will get paid. And another thing they do, they have always ads that are playing on your PC down there, and when they play there, then they are also going to credit you for that. Yes, and it's not difficult to sign up. All you need is an email address and a password. Yes, and the next app that I'm going to show you this is Grass. It's called grass.io. And if you're a person who likes cryptocurrency, then this app is going to help you, because you are going to just download it and install it in the background. And when you install it in the background, it's also going to be collecting the data that you don't want, and they are going to be paying you for that. Yes, they are going to be paying you for that. And you can cash out via cryptocurrency. Yes, you can cash out via cryptocurrency, and they mostly pay through Salona. Yes, you can cash out, and they're also introducing other payment methods soon. So that's how you can cash out using this app, and it will also be running in the background. You just install it on your Google Chrome and you pin it at the top here. As you can see, I've already pinned mine there. All these apps I'm talking about, I'm using them. They are already installed on my PC and my phone. So you just download, leave it in the background, it will be running and you'll be earning money. Yes, and they are always doing promotions like on Twitter, so they'll be giving away some cryptocurrencies. So it's better you be following them on Twitter, so that you know anytime they are giving out something, you are in and you'll be earning that free cryptocurrency from this app. Then this brings us to our last app on the list, and this our last app is Pocket Streams. Guys, as I told you, these apps, they are not going to make you a billionaire, but they are apps that you can install and use them in the background. If you ever want to make money and be rich, you should always have multiple streams of income. Have multiple streams of income, yes. So you can put these apps in the background. As they are running, you are also working on your other businesses, and they'll be bringing you money in the passive way. That's why they call them passive money making apps, because if you don't want to do anything like surveys, they can be running in their background. But if you want to multiply your money to increase it, then you can go ahead, do surveys and do games. Yes, so you have two options: to use them passively, or you can use both in a passive way and also be doing other things like surveys and games. So this app is called Pocket Streams, and this one also is about sharing your internet or your unused data. That's what you are also going to be doing on this app, and you are going to use an email address and a password to sign up, and the link that I'm going to leave in the description below, so that you can locate this website, so that it will not be difficult for you to find this website. Yes, and you are going to be using it to collect your unused data. And here you are going to get paid via PayPal. As I am recording this video for now, you can only receive your payments through PayPal, but you never know, maybe in the future other payment methods can come. Yes, because these apps keep on renovating themselves, yes, so that they can reach out and be better than other apps too. So this app is going to help you in this way. If you want to install it in a passive way, you can go ahead and use also this app, which is called Pocket Stream. So guys, if this video has given you value, or if you want always to learn different ways on how you can make money online, then don't forget to subscribe, to share, and to comment useful in the comment sections below, so that I can do more content that is going to help you. Yes, see you in the next video.